All right, today we're gonna bring a net for your cat, and so if you want to take him a bath, and right now our cat needs a bath, he's a little stinker. Basically, this is where the neck goes, and the feet are gonna be here. So, you know how hard it is that cats hate water. This is one way you're gonna have to kind of tie them down, hog tie them without the hogging them or anything like that. So this is a perfect way. They got a little stretcher here and a little pull string here. Enough room for his neck. Just put this in like a regular shirt almost. Two hands sticking out and you should be good. So we're going to take our cat a bath and a shower or bath, whatever it is you want to do. But mostly I recommend you a little bath, all right? So the hands come out.
Uh-oh, his face. Tighten it? Yeah, it does.
Yep. Tie him up.
He needs to be tightened a little bit.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right, that's it.
No, he stinks.
No. Tie up his hands. There you go.
Cause I'm sorry, Sue.
Don't say sorry. He needs a bath. He is dirty. Need something to throw water on him.
You need to stay here, Stu.
Why? You say why?
Don't make noises because you're stressing him out. No, you're freaking him out. Like,
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You need it. You're not a homeless cat. You need it.
I hate giving cats baths.
No.
It creeps me. It's scary.